Hi neighbors, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jerri-ellen and this is Cooking with Neighbors. And you're my neighbor, and won't you be my neighbor if you're not already subscribed? Today I'm doing a quick and easy recipe, as pretty much all my videos here are quick and easy recipes. This is from a cookbook I have that I will put on the screen. And this recipe, it was submitted by a lady out in British Columbia. A few tablespoons of cooking oil. It says 2 tablespoons. Let's go 2 tablespoons. Let's call it that anyways. And it says salt and pepper. I'm not putting very much salt because the soy sauce, even though it's low sodium, is going to, in my opinion, for me anyway, it's still going to be a little salty. And pepper, I'm just using 1/8 of a teaspoon. My oven is preheating to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, I think what it said, Jerry. A cup of, how's everybody doing? Let me say, I hope you're doing well. I have made these Chinese baked wings in the past, and we love them. I just add a little bit more of some ingredients, and I do a little bit of something to the sauce towards the end. So it's based, I should say, on the recipe in the cookbook. And I wanted to share it with you because it is one of my hubby's favorite wings. Alrighty, that's in there. And a 1/2 cup of low sodium soy sauce. More. Okay. And it says a clove of minced garlic. I am, just because we like a bit more. And I'm just using this here stuff. I'm going to use a good 1/2 tablespoon of minced garlic. And it calls for 2 tablespoons of ketchup. I'm going to do 3. 1, 2, 3. And this sauce says to put over 3 pounds of wings. That's another thing I should say that I changed, because I have 2 pounds. But we don't mind the extra sauce. Make sure that they're all coated. There we go. It says in the recipe to baste it often, so turn it in the sauce often, okay? This is the cookbook. It's a Caledon Hills Bruce Trail Club cookbook. I used to live near Caledon area, and I want to show you some pictures of the Bruce Trail that I found on the internet that I want to share with you, and tell you a bit of information about the Bruce Trail here in Ontario. So the Bruce Trail is 900 kilometers long, and only 4,440 people have officially completed the entire Bruce Trail. It opened in 1965 and was built by volunteers of the Bruce Trail Association. And I forget how long it would take you. I will look it up and put it across the screen. If you walked 20 or 25 kilometers a day, how long it would take you to get through the whole thing. Now back to the wings. I'm going to do a cornstarch slurry to thicken up the sauce. So for the sauce, I thickened it by adding about a tablespoon or so of cornstarch to a quarter cup of water, mixed it and put it in with the liquid, mixed it through and popped this back in the oven, let the sauce thicken up, and the wings are all cooked. And yes, let's have a look. So 1 hour uncovered in your preheated oven. Stir it like 3-4 times in that hour. Might take you a bit more than an hour depending on the size of your wings. You want them fully cooked. I like putting the cornstarch slurry in it because I like the thicker sauce for over the rice that I made there. And there you have it. Delicious. Like, share, subscribe, and please come back again.